Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to ride along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is headed, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and our community. Spring is a season of renewal, a time to look ahead to what's possible. At Reynolds, it's also a reminder that progress happens through partnership, purpose, and a shared commitment to our students. I'm so proud to share that Reynolds Community College was recently named a Leader College by Achieving the Dream, an announcement made at the Dream Conference in Portland, Oregon. This recognition is awarded to a select group of colleges demonstrating measurable progress in student success, including persistence, completion, and successful transfer or entry into meaningful careers. It's a significant milestone for our college and a reflection of the intentional college-wide work underway. At the conference, our leadership team had the opportunity to share our journey from ideation to implementation to impact, and how we've approached this as a true whole college reform. That work includes strengthening wraparound supports, investing in our colleagues, and building clear program maps so students understand their path from the moment they enroll. It's data-informed, intentional, and helping more of our students stay on track and reach their goals. This kind of progress is only possible because of our people. Last month, we held a college-wide professional development day, bringing together hundreds of Reynolds employees for connection and reflection. It was a chance to step away from the pace of the semester and reconnect with one another and with the purpose of our work. Our North Star. We know that when we invest in our colleagues, our students benefit. Supporting students also means showing up as advocates. Reynolds joined leaders from across the Virginia Community College system at the National Legislative Summit in Washington, D.C. I had the opportunity to meet with Senator Tim Kaine alongside my colleagues to discuss the critical role community colleges play in preparing students for high-demand careers. Advocacy continued right here in Richmond at the General Assembly, where several Reynolds students participated in Community College Student Advocacy Day. These students, enrolled in healthcare programs like nursing and surgical technology, met directly with legislators to share their experiences and how Reynolds is preparing them for careers that serve our communities. At a time when Virginia faces a significant healthcare workforce shortage, their voices were powerful reminders of the impact of this work. Seeing our students step into these conversations with confidence and pride reinforces why this matters. Together, we are opening doors, strengthening our workforce, and expanding opportunity for the communities we serve. Thank you for riding along with us and for helping move Reynolds forward. I look forward to connecting with you again next month.